Hey guys, Nick here. Welcome to the REI Rockstar Podcast. Guys, check it out. I just bought a house just yesterday and went over there for the first time today since we've owned it, and took some video and so I can show you the inside. This is a new vlog series that I'm starting here to kind of chronicle like the progression through this house. It's pretty cool. So I'm showing you the footage from day one of all the stuff that's still inside the house, and this house is a doozy, guys. It needs it all. And we're gonna do it all. We're gonna take it apart and put it back together again, and hopefully be able to chronicle that whole thing from day one to demo to taking it all apart, putting all the mechanics back in, plumbing, electric, HVAC, roof, windows, flooring, walls, all that kind of stuff, fixtures, all the way up into the end where we put furniture in there, do the final landscaping, and put that sucker on the market. So check it out. It's pretty cool. This is day one. If you like this video, please hit subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, that kind of stuff. But watch this. It's going to be pretty fun. All right, I just bought a house. You want to see it? I'm on my way there. And might have bit off a little bit more than I can chew on this one. This is a big boy project. The first thing we have to do is get a roof on this thing because, oh my gosh, it is leaking like crazy, and it's done nothing but rain the last couple days, and the closing got pushed back, and I'm like, man, we haven't had any rain in like 2 months, and then a couple days before closing it's rained like crazy. So anyway, going over there, this is the first time that I'm going over there after we've closed yesterday on this thing. Got our guys starting on doing all the clean out and everything, so yeah, I'm pretty excited about this one. We're gonna do some cool things to it. We're gonna start from scratch on most everything. A little nervous because it's a bad home. There's just no two ways to say it. It's a bad home. This house is, I make a joke about it sometimes. We buy maintenance-free homes that haven't had any maintenance in 30 years. This one, it's just the person who owned it did not own a broom, did not own a screwdriver. I didn't do anything to it at all. When a room stopped working, just stopped using that room. There's more flashlights in this house than I've ever seen in any other house. There's like 6 or 7 in each room. It's because I don't think he knew how to change a light bulb, and he just used flashlights when the light bulb would go out. I don't know. It's pretty crazy. Oh, and it's a hoarder house. You can barely walk into it. So anyway, I'm headed on over there right now, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. This one's pretty messed up, but I'm pretty sure that we're gonna be able to take this house and put it back together again and make it look awesome. So I'm excited, I'm nervous. Stay tuned, we'll be right there. All right, what the heck did I buy, man? Randy, how bad is this house?
It needs a little bit of work.
It needs a little TLC. All right, here it is. Blue tarp on the roof and all. Actually, I think this house is gonna be pretty cute when it's done. It's on a corner lot. It's a little rough. What the heck did we do? This is the clean out crew. Let's go inside and see what's up. All right, here we go. Look at this. We got eggs. I don't think they're any good. We got beans. I think those are bagels. Yikes, guys. Regular haunted house, huh?
It's a lot, but anyway, it's like a lot of paper everywhere.
So I always joke about saying I buy houses that when you walk inside and you look up, you can see daylight. And that's exactly what you can see here.
Yeah. Spot.
It's been a minute since I bought one that you could actually do that with. Wow.
He said it's a trash can outside.
Where do we start? All right, we're gonna clean this thing out. It's gonna take a little bit, and then we're gonna, once this thing is totally cleaned out, we're gonna figure out if we're moving walls, if we're changing anything up with the floor plan, come up with a whole plan of attack on this house. My gosh. So roof starting hopefully by the end of this week, clean out starting today, and then once it's all cleaned out, we're gonna put our thinking cap on and try to figure out how we're gonna take this house apart and put it back together. So they're getting rid of all this stuff, slowly taking it out, and I'm like, hey, check this out. I love chocolates, right? I was thinking, man, wonder if there's like a expiration date on this. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. March 1997. Guys, that's 23 years ago that this was made. Don't think these are gonna be good. There's several bags of groceries in there, and one of them had some eggs. I don't know how old they were, but I think they knocked the bag over and busted some of the eggs. I almost threw up. It was really foul smelling, like rotten sulfur. Oh my gosh. I retched like the top of my lungs. Like, bad. All right, they're about halfway done on day one, and place looks worse. Wish it would look a lot better, but it's all cleared out on the first floor mostly. Oops. Most of the stuff's out. They just got to get all the smalls off the floor. And it's raining. The roof cannot get on soon enough. Oops. First floor is mostly done. They're going to demo some of the ceilings before they leave today. First floor and the second floor is going to be completely done. They're going to come back tomorrow for that. I won't be here tomorrow, but I'm going to be here on Friday when this place is totally done. I'll give an update as far as they're all cleared out. So yeah, check out the first load. First load gone. That's it for this video. I will be back in a couple days to check on the progress and see, form a plan and figure out exactly what we're gonna do with this thing. If we're gonna open up some walls or whatever the case may be, but this house is messed up, man. We bit off a lot here. Hopefully we can chew it. Stay tuned. Well, hello. That was dumb. Start over.